about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hi guys, what's up? It's your girls TwinGodesses and I'm Alicia. I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. But y'all, I think I have the best wig I've ever owned. No lie. Y'all gonna have to tell me, am I lying? Am I telling the truth? Let's just check this unit out. This unit comes from Wowafrican.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be linked for you. But this is Wowafrican's brand new magic lace front wig. You guys can see that clear Swiss HD lace. You do have 13 by 6 inches of parting space, and this unit features their glueless cap. So it has these silicone patches on the inside which acts as a slip grip, so the unit will not slip even if you try to tug on it. It also has that elastic strap and the combs on the inside, so you don't have to adhere this unit down if you choose not to. It also features their kinky edges. I'm going to show you guys what I do to lay it. I do apply a little bit of mousse, well, a lot of bit of mousse to those edges, and I just brush it back, and then I use an elastic strap just to lay it. No, this is not going to make the edges straight. No, it's not going to compromise the texture. It's just going to lay it. I'm also going to take my wax stick and apply it to the top of the unit. My unit did have some box humps in it, so I want to remove those. I take my hot comb just to flatten it a bit. Now I'm just going to go through the rest of the hair, making sure everything is nice and neat, and then I'll be back tomorrow so we can see how those edges are looking.
We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just. Is you picking up what I'm putting down? They like cat on your back with another song. All for the love of the game, I just wanna ball. What happened to a little ups? I do not recall. Can be sliding down the block, see me riding clean.
Okay guys, so I am back. Let's go ahead and check out this unit. I did cut off the lace off camera. Again, this is their glueless cap, so if you don't want to adhere it down, you really don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and get the unit on. One thing I will say is that this cap fits very snug, so if you do have a larger head, I would say go up a size. But y'all, just look at the melt. It's not glued down. It looks super natural. Maybe just a little bit of foundation on those edges and you should be fine. I'm going to adhere my unit down, guys. This is just what I do. Again, you don't have to. I do use my 𝐂𝐇𝐈𝐑 spray that along my forehead, blow dry it down until it becomes tacky, and then I take the lace and just lay it on there. For those of you guys who want a 24-hour hold, this is gonna give you that. You don't need a ball cap or anything of that nature. It's going to sit on your head really snug. I like to also take my melting band to melt that lace right into my complexion, and I just go over it again with the blow dryer so that it really sticks. And at this point, while that's setting, I'm just gonna go through the hair and just kind of style it the way that I want it to look on me. And after 15 minutes, my wig is nicely installed. I'm just loving the way those edges look. But if you want to make that lace blend in a little better, I like to take a little bit of my 𝐸𝐵𝐿 lace tinted spray and spray it on the back of a foundation brush, and then I take some foundation powder to set it. I also like to take some concealer to define that parting space, and this is what we're working with. That lace tinted spray is a must have. But you guys can see the texture of this unit. It is a kinky straight. Now my unit does say that it is 20 inches, but it feels a little bit longer on me. I'm 5'8" and it falls to like my hip area. The density on this one is incredibly full. I would say it's 180%, but if I'm wrong, I will correct myself in the description area. But let's talk about this magic wig, y'all. I've done units like this before, but never like this one. What I'm going to do is just apply some water to the hair. I will recommend you applying warmer water. It gets those waves to pop quicker. And then I like to apply a little bit of mousse just to hold the shape of the curls a bit better. While you're saturating the hair, definitely go in and scrunch it. It's really going to help those curls pop. And then I like to use my hair dryer with a diffuser to dry those curls and get them to set properly. And oh my gosh, y'all, this hair, y'all probably be like, oh, it's okay, but y'all, I've never had a wavy, kinky texture. Never. It's always been like wavy and silky, but this is the texture of kinky straight with a wave. So think of the Glam Twins with the braid out. That's how this hair is. It's so perfect. Oh my gosh. This is perfect for when you go to the beach or to the pool, a day party, and you get in that water and then the hair reverts. Yes, this is what this is giving. Okay, I am loving this hair so much, and the kinky edges just makes it all come together perfectly. This is truly looking like our hair, which is why I absolutely love this texture. And if you want it to go back to the original look, all you have to do is simply blow dry it. That's it, and it will return back to its kinky straight look. If you want it to go back to this wavy look, just wet the hair, dry it, and oh my gosh, it's perfect. Again, y'all, this is Wowafrican's Glueless Magic Lace Front Unit. It comes in the texture kinky straight, but when you wash it or wet the hair, it reverts to this really pretty twist out wavy look. You guys can see that texture up close and personal. My unit is in a 20-inch. I am 5'8". This unit does also have their kinky edges, bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. Y'all, this is ready to go. Y'all, let me know, was I lying with this one? Leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.